Hi everyone, we're here at GITEX and we're at the sustainability booth where we're actually looking at a super cool use case that we've co-innovated with UPS, who's one of our customers. The idea behind the solution is that UPS wanted to find ways to become more sustainable and to reduce their carbon footprint. Now, a good chunk of that footprint is spent on that last mile delivery. And UPS wanted to tackle that problem head on in preparation for Expo 2020. So what they decided to do was to prototype these electric bikes, these electric hybrid bikes, to measure how sustainable they were being. Now, where SAP comes in is we're actually helping them connect the vehicles and connect the drivers to be able to measure that more effectively. So on one side, the UPS drivers are actually extremely proud to be working for a company that is the first company to be doing the sustainable solution for last mile delivery. So we've connected up their Apple Watches and their Fitbits so we can track the activity that they were doing on the bikes. With SAP, what you can do is you can bring that in with the HR data so that you can reward these employees for being more sustainable. Now that's one side of the story. But the other side of the story is actually looking at the bicycle as a physical asset, as an asset. So how do we sensorize this bike so that we can better understand the predictive maintenance, so that we can understand what's happening with the bike? So first of all, we're tracking the distance driven and the routes that the bike has taken, but you can also keep track of how well the battery is doing. If the battery is sending back warning signs, if there's something wrong with the battery, you can get a notification that will notify you that the battery needs to be replaced. From this application that we've built with them, you're able to directly create the service order so that you can get this battery replaced. Now, our story started off with UPS wanting to be a more sustainable company. And the first two aspects looked at the driver and the bicycle. But on the macro level, what UPS can now do is by gathering all of this data and by aggregating it, they can actually measure how sustainable they're being on this last mile delivery. And they can understand how well they are to achieve their sustainability goals. Thank you.